Have you ever wondered if your equipment is leak-proof? Conducting a leak test is essential. It can prevent costly damage and ensure reliability. Today, we will walk you through the process of conducting a leak test. First, gather your tools. You will need a pressure gauge, sealing fluid, and a vacuum pump. Next, ensure the area is clear and safe for testing. Safety first. Now, prepare your equipment for the test. Make sure all connections are secure and tight. Start by applying a pressure test. Increase the pressure within the system slowly. Monitor the pressure gauge for any drops. After that, observe the surfaces for bubbles or escaping air. Use the sealing fluid to identify leaks easily. If you see bubbles forming, you have identified a leak. Mark the spot for repair. Once you've completed your checks, release the pressure carefully. This prevents any damage or injury. To summarize, conduct a leak test by preparing your tools, securing connections, and monitoring for leaks. Who knew a simple test could save you so much trouble? Now that you know how to conduct a leak test, why not try it out? Share your results in the comments below. Have you ever experienced the frustration of dealing with unexpected equipment failures due to leaks? A well-executed leak test can spare you from not only the monetary costs of repairs but also potential safety hazards. Starting with the right tools, you can easily safeguard your equipment and ensure it operates effectively. Don't underestimate the importance of a thorough inspection. Once you've gathered your gear and prepared the testing area, the journey to reliable performance begins. As you increase the pressure and monitor the system, stay vigilant. Even the tiniest drop can signal underlying issues waiting to escalate. When you spot those bubbles, it's a clear sign that preventative measures are essential. By marking the leak spots for repair, you're taking the first step in securing your investment. Having gone through these vital procedures, always remember to release pressure safely to protect yourself and your gear. Follow these steps, and you'll not only enhance equipment longevity but also gain peace of mind. So now, are you ready to tackle your own leak test? After completing your leak test, take a moment to reflect on the process you just went through. Consider documenting your findings for future reference or to assist others who might be grappling with similar equipment issues. Sharing your experience not only strengthens your understanding but also fosters a community that values safety and reliability. Whether your test revealed issues or confirmed everything was secure, your proactive approach contributes to a more dependable operational environment. Don't forget, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to maintenance. So, keep this practice routine and improve your skills continually. By taking these simple yet effective steps, you ensure that your equipment remains functional and safe, ultimately benefiting everyone involved. Conducting regular leak tests fosters a culture of diligence and care, empowering you to tackle challenges head-on. Remember, each test brings you closer to mastering equipment maintenance. Happy testing!